Thanks for joining us on HTSN. I'm Storm Team 6 meteorologist Kyle Mounds, continuing to track some rain. We've had it lighten up a little bit through Saturday afternoon, but more heavy rain is in the forecast. In fact, we have flood warnings now, which cover much of central Indiana, even a flash flood warning for Bloomington, Bedford, right on into Bloomfield, and we may see those expanded as we go through the night as well, as we're talking more additional rainfall moving on through central Indiana. Over the last 24 hours, you can see those brighter greens along and south of I-70. That's where we've picked up generally about 2 to 3 inches of rain. The darker green 1 to 2 inches, and then an inch or less as you get north of there. And we could still see an additional 1 to 2 inches of heavy rainfall as we go through your Saturday evening. Again, we have flood warnings across much of central Indiana. Certainly take those seriously. If you live in some of those flood prone areas and are asked to evacuate, heed those warnings. Here's a look at TrueCast as we go through your Saturday evening at 8 o'clock, and you can see heavy rain really all across central portions of the state. It's going to be moving in from southern portions of Illinois, West Kentucky. Then as we head to about 11 o'clock tonight, we'll notice the heavier rain starting to push to the east, still dealing with some showers, and then drier air starts to work in here overnight. So we'll have the clouds around, maybe a spotty shower or two, but generally we start to dry things out, and we are going to need that. Heavy rainfall at 8 o'clock. We'll actually see temperatures climb a couple degrees as we go through the evening to about 42 at midnight, with those scattered rain showers in the forecast and a northeast wind about 10 miles per hour. Temperatures, those will hold steady overnight, then start to fall as we go through your Sunday. 8 o'clock numbers, 42 in Indianapolis, 32 in Lafayette. As we go to the lunch hour, you'll notice that we start to see some of that cooler air moving in to about 37 degrees as we go into tomorrow evening. Here's a check of your 7-day planning forecast. 29 with a few flurries possible on Monday. Back on Sunday, I don't think we can rule out entirely a passing shower, but mostly dry. Then a cold Christmas Eve day. We start off at 10, only 20 for the high. At least we'll have some sunshine back in the forecast. 33 for Christmas Day with partly cloudy skies, and really it's a pretty quiet 7-day forecast as soon as we get rid of the system we're dealing with right now, but it stays fairly cold. Highs 32 degrees on Thursday, back into the 20s on Friday.